Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting high-impact tasks that repeat daily. This focus yields immediate gains. First, identify 1 to 3 processes you do often and collect 5 to 10 real examples or files to work with. Once done, pick a single familiar AI tool and set basic access, API key, or app login so you can iterate. Make sure to keep inputs consistent. That consistency trains your prompts and templates. Now you have prerequisites ready, and you start the first actionable experiment. You now construct reproducible prompts that scale. Design a template containing role instructions, the specific goal, constraints like length or tone, and 2 or 3 examples. Then iterate. Test 3 prompt variants and record which outputs solve the task fastest. Once you see a winning pattern, automate the step using a macro, a small script, or a workflow integration so the model runs without manual copying. This builds reliable repeatability and reduces decision friction across future tasks. You finish by deploying the tuned workflow to a small scope and monitoring results closely. Measure time saved, error rate, and quality to decide if wider rollout makes sense. Make sure to schedule short reviews to refine prompts and expand examples where gaps appear. If things go wrong, first constrain outputs or add a verification step, then adjust the prompt and include counterexamples. That troubleshooting loop keeps productivity reliable and prevents regressions as usage grows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.